Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here with your currency outlook for the session. First, we'll take a look at stocks right now. We do have the headlines out of D.C. starting to simmer down a little bit here, which is providing a little bit of a relief rally in the S&P 500. We got the S&P trading up 1% right now, up 20 points at 2383. I think it's also important to point out, obviously, the market took a spill on some D.C. headlines and some political issues early on in the week. However, it's important to point out that the aggregate, as earnings season starts to wrap up, aggregate sales growth for the S&P 500 complex is up 8.1%, and earnings per share growth for the S&P 500 companies is up 14.9%. Right now, we've got just about all 500 companies have reported by right now. I think maybe we've got a few stragglers out there, but very strong earnings growth. That's kind of hard to, that's data that's very hard to argue with right now. So the bull market still continues to press on after the pullback early on this week. Looking at the U.S. dollar, this is a little bit of a concern here. The U.S. dollar is down 61 points, trading 97.26. I'm looking at the euro. The euro is actually at some times this week acted as a flight to safety instrument. The euro seems to be breaking out right now. It's at 112.05. That's up 85 points. I still have a longer-term bearish view of the euro currency, but you have to start to ask yourself some of the questions as to whether or not this is the beginning of the ECB QE taper rally in the euro that's going to happen later on this year. So, a rally like this, you're going to have to start asking yourself these questions. Also looking at the British pound, as many of you know, the British pound is one of our favorite foreign currencies since the start of the year. That is trading up 78 points right now at 130.29, as we did see UK retail sales and industrial production numbers come out stronger than expected in the overnight. So that's something to consider. Looking at the yen's kind of trading soft right now. It's flat to higher. You really don't have that flight to safety element in the yen that the yen's been feeding off of early on in the week with the pullback in stocks. So right now the yen is just kind of trading flat to higher, just kind of sitting there. That's all I have for you right now. If you've got questions with some of the other foreigns, feel free to reach out to me by phone or email. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Thanks for watching.